Stepping Stones Museum for Children in Norwalk has always been a destination for guaranteed fun. Now the museum wants people to enjoy all the amazing entertainment options that Norwalk has to offer. This morning we're joined by Mike Riley, president of the Norwalk Seaport Association, and Meg Robustelli, museum director of marketing and sales, to learn more about this summer sound savings program. Is that right? Talk to us a little bit about that.
Sure. The Sound of Summer program is a new program this year in Norwalk, and there are 12 participating organizations, cultural organizations, hotels, and if you pay full price at one of the organizations, you can receive discounts at the other 11, so up to 50% off in some cases.
First year doing this. Why is it so important, Mike?
I think it's really important for everybody to work together and co-market together, and this is something we put together this year so that everybody can work more together. And when people come to Norwalk, there's a lot to do, so that then they can do other things while they're in Norwalk. For example, if they go to Stepping Stones and Maritime Museum and then they want to take a ferry ride out to Sheffield Island, you can do that for half price.
Wow.
So I mean that's powerful. You can go on electric bikes with Pedigo in Norwalk. There's all sorts of things. And I think that if we work together to increase our overall awareness, it's really important.
Yeah, and for parents that are looking to find things, we still have a lot of summer left. It doesn't feel like it for kids, but there's a lot of summer for parents to fill in. You know, it starts adding up when you're paying full price. How much, do you know how much you're saving if you do this?
At Stepping Stones, in some cases you can save up to $15 per person, because it's buy one, get one free. And the great thing is, too, that Stepping Stones members, all they need to do is show their membership card at any of the organizations that Mike just mentioned, and they get to take advantage of the offer.
And Stepping Stones has so much to offer just at that one place. Tell me about that.
Sure. So we're in the midst of Mega Summer, which is our summer program. There's a new and exciting theme each week, and like you said, there's a lot of summer left, and we're really most excited about Astronomy Week that kicks off on August 14th. So we're having galactic slime making, lots of activities related to astronomy and space, but the most exciting thing is that on August 21st, you heard about that solar eclipse that's coming, correct?
Yes.
So we're going to have lots of programming that day to make the event really meaningful for children, including a live feed of the eclipse on our big screen in the multimedia gallery.
Wow. Yeah, I'm looking to get some glasses for that. Finally, let's talk about your mascot here.
Sure. This is Buzu. He goes everywhere we go. He's been to Germany, the Netherlands this summer, so it was really important that he come here with us to Channel 8 today.
All right.
So he lives in our Tot Town exhibit at the museum.
Thank you so much, Meg and Mike. We appreciate you spending this rainy morning with us. I'm glad you're inside and not out there, though, right?
Yeah.
Right. And one more thing, to redeem the offers, all you have to do is pick up one of these cards at any of the participating locations, and you get a punch every time you pay for admission, and then show it at the next one for the discount.